going on. Just got to work about an hour ago. It's Friday night. Bryce is coming in the morning. We're going to do some filming on the truck and gather a parts list. Just go over a few things. One thing we're going to be doing, just got a little surface rust on them. These are some nice headers. So we're going to get them sanded down the best way, get some heat, engine paint in black, rattle bomb, cover them once they're sanded and cleaned off good, and then we're going to do some heat tape around them. Other ones in here. So we got this surface rust here. Don't mind the compressor running in the background. We got to get all the surface rust off this crap here, off these headers. We're going to be using a fine Scotch-Brite pad that mounts right on this guy here. Alright, so we got them cleaned off the best we could get them. I mean, it's not going to be perfect on an old used header like this, so do the best you can. Now we're going to come in with Rust-Oleum high heat up to 2,000 degrees, flat black header paint, ceramic coating. So check this out, here we go. Sun is right in my eyes, I can't really see. Well, sanding's all done. I tell you what, I could have made a month's worth of videos, an hour long, just with the amount of sanding that went in there. Not really, but maybe, who knows. Sanding these parts here was easy. Anything big open was easy. I just used a handy dandy little the air compressor with a Scotch-Brite pad, little die grinder action. Edited it out a lot because I also had to hand sand. There was places I couldn't get the pad to reach in between here. Couldn't even get into there, so I just did the best I could. Tight spaces, got them sanded down, not as well as the grinder did, but we got them. They're looking fresh, so it's still drying. Let them sit out in the sun here and get some heat to them. They're supposed to be baked, well, Michigan heat wave all week, going strong since Monday. Trust me, they're baking because I'm baking. So we're done with these. Next part is to wrap them in the heat wrap and then install them on the truck, and then we exhaust from there. We don't know what we're doing yet. He's got a few options in mind. This is not my truck, like I said before. He's thinking Super 10s, but we'll see what he grabs up and gets.